Hey guys, welcome to Phone Browser, and 2 days ago the Xiaomi Redmi released the new Note 14 series, and today I go to the offline store of Xiaomi to bring you the video about the quick hands-on video about the Redmi Note 14. And for the Note 14 series is from the stamp price is from $150 to $300, and it's a mid and low-end range smartphone. And here I will show you the Redmi Note 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Plus. Now this is Note 14 Pro, and it's powered by the Dimensity 7300 Ultra chips, and it's called 1.5K 120Hz refresh rate LED screen, and the new camera is 50 megapixel and 5500 mAh battery with 40 watt fast charger. And for the Note 14 Pro and Note 14 Pro, both use the curved screen and trigger rear camera system. There's a difference between the Pro Plus and 14, the normal standard edition. And also we find it's like black as material combined color, and also the white color. But all the screen size are 6.7 inch AMOLED screen. And for this Note 14 Pro is called LPDDR4X and UFS 2.2. The weight is just 190 grams, and the thickness is just 8.24 millimeters. But for the 14 Pro compared with the 14 Pro Plus, the difference comes from the processor and the camera, battery. So we can have a quick camera test of the Note 14 Pro, and I will put the images and pictures at the end of this part. The Note 14 Pro is a Sony LYT615 megapixel, support OIS and EIS, 80 megapixel wide angle and 2 megapixel macro lens, and also 20 megapixel front camera. So that can support the light enter from the Xiaomi. Also support the HyperOS based on Android 14 and also the IP68. And here is some pictures of the Redmi Note 14 Pro. You can enjoy it. And the sample image quality is just so-so. Okay, next is the Note 14 Pro Plus, and this is a 6.67 inch AMOLED 1.5K 120Hz refresh rate screen on full screen. Display like that color is shining glass, and have the second screen and support green, white, and light green color. As mentioned, this time the processor is improved to the Snapdragon 7S Generation 3 4nm, and this is the first smartphone that's powered by the Snapdragon 7S Generation 3 processor. And also this one, the camera is also improved. Check to another color, light blue color, and it's 50 megapixel new one, and support light enter 800 OIS and EIS. Also 8 megapixel wide angle and 50 megapixel telephoto, and this is improved compared to the 14 and 14 Pro. And also this time the battery becomes to 6,200, and the capable fast charging reaches to 90 watt. But also the weight is just a bit heavy to 10.8 grams. Now it's a very quick camera test about Note 14 Pro Plus, and it also supports IP68 on the screen and HyperOS screen fingerprint and HyperOS. This time the Signal chips is also powered by Xiaomi HyperOS. And the price if compared to the middle range 14 Pro is just $100 higher. This is the white color with a shining glass, but this has some special texture. And here the next notification about the Note 14 Pro Plus. And this is also a curved screen. It's called 120Hz refresh rate, and the display resolution is 2712/1220, same like the middle range 14 Pro, but compared to the basic 1080 is also improved. Here the some pictures you can also enjoy it from the Note 14 Pro Plus. A bit better. then the normal one, and zoom 30 times. Or for the normal basic and middle range 14 Pro, just 20 zoom times 2. Last, we go to the basic one, the Redmi Note 14. And for the Note 10, it's powered by a 6.678 AMOLED screen. It's not a curved screen, but it also supports 120Hz refresh rate. For the back side, it's only supports real not triple camera, just the dual camera, 15 megapixel one, Sony Xiaomi and 2 megapixel camera. For the front one, it's just a 60 megapixel compared to the 14 Pro and Pro Plus. 20 megapixel is also the specification is not as high as the middle-range one and high-end one. This time for the RAM and ROM support LPDDR4X and UFS 2.2. So this is the same like the Note 14 Pro, but not like the 14 Pro Plus is, yes, it's 3.1. And here are the 7 pictures from Redmi Note 14, and the quality is okay. So here we can enjoy more videos about the smartphone, Redmi Note 14, Redmi Note 14 Pro, Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. Here are more colors you can check from the back side and front side. As I mentioned, you get a lot of colors this time. For the Pro Plus, we have a white, black, and light blue, and for the Pro, get a white, black, light blue, and also the purple color. Also the leather material back panel. And for the basic one, just get a white, black, and light green. So this green, light blue color, light green, and light blue. To enjoy it, check the difference. And for the appearance, the main one is coming from the camera design and the cover screen as well. Okay, thanks for watching my short hands-on video and quick hands-on video about the Redmi Note 14 series, and let's detain the video for more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye. Enjoy the pictures and enjoy the videos. Make a comment and let me know your thoughts.